What is good, YouTube? That was a little weird. My bad. I'm really excited. Okay. We have a DTG printer now. We got a heat press. We got a hat press. We got a little bit of everything. We have an embroidery machine. Where's this? It's right there. Right there. Yeah. I still need to set it up. I'm not using it for any drops at the moment. I'm doing a pop-up this Saturday, so I kind of just want to vlog. Let's see, today's Wednesday. I just want to take you guys through these next few days to see how I prepare for this pop-up. There's a lot. I bought a lot of stuff, a lot of clothing, and just we're gonna have a lot of variety. We're gonna have a great time. It's a Halloween event, so I'm gonna be dressing up. Not really gonna be doing a really crazy costume. It's kind of gonna be DIY because just I got long hair. I can't really think of anyone who to dress up as with long hair that I particularly your boy can't speak. What the hell? You get the gist. You get the drift. There's no one there's no one with long hair. There's not a character with long hair that I know of that I particularly want to dress up as. So I thought of this character. If you guys watch Attack on Titan, for my anime people, I'm gonna be dressing up as Eren, post time skip, because I have long hair, he's got long hair, and I got the scraggly facial hair just like him. So we're gonna be doing that. And I don't know, I got the rags that he wears, kind of like yeah, like I could pull something together. So I just got back from a run and I'm gonna go to the gym, but I will see you guys in a few on what else I'm working on. I still have one more design to work on before I can say I have all the designs ready. So I'm gonna be working on that. I'm not gonna really show you guys right now because I want to say that for the drop. And for those of you who keep up with me on social media, on the gram, you should probably peep it there. So see you guys in a few. All right, so yeah, it's Friday. Yeah, I haven't really done much in terms of working on the drop and the event. It's Friday, the event is tomorrow. So I guess you're gonna see how I work through this. This is the story of my life, always in a rush, last minute. But we always get it done. Because yeah. It's basically gonna be a mix of everything. From things that I'm particularly interested in terms of just like Japanese culture, and a little bit of pop culture. We're infusing a little bit of everything. That's why this collection is going to be called Mélange, because it's basically a fusion. It is a fusion of different things that pay tribute to pop culture and just Japanese culture. Yeah, I don't want to give away too much, but I guess I should be explaining more about it. Now that I have a DTG printer, I can focus on just cooler prints. I usually use direct to film transfers, which there's nothing wrong with that. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. That's how I've operated my business even before I had the DTG printer. I was relying on my heat press, this bad boy right here. That's how I've operated this business, through the heat press, using direct to film transfers and plastisol screen printed transfers, and it's worked out. It's worked out for me. I haven't had any issues, and I actually just got an embroidery machine, and I'm currently learning how to use that. I think it's gonna look pretty cool. It was something that I came up with last minute, and I find that usually last minute ideas kind of turn out to be one of the best ideas. We're working with a lot of garment. No, sorry, I keep confusing garment and pigment. These are pigment dyed shirts. Basically, I really like the style of just vintage clothing. Vintage as in like from the 80s and 90s. Like I really like the aesthetic. And I also like the oversized, loose-fitting type of shirts. This one isn't. This is cool. This is for my run today. I went on a run. But I like how these look because I like how they fade over time. and just the style, the aesthetic, and the designs that go with it. It just looks really cool. It looks like you just time traveled from like 1985 or 1995. It's cool. It's a cool look, and I'm here for it. And that also goes for this shirt, which is from this blank from a previous drop. It's a pocket hoodie. These are garment dye. So real quick, the ones I showed in the beginning, those are pigment dye. The ones I just showed you guys right now are garment dye. I'll actually show you guys. So both of these shirts I'm going to show right now, they're technically supposed to be black shirts. So this is a black shirt. This is pirate black, cotton heritage, right? Ethically made, really cool. Boom, boom, boom. Black garment dye. I'm gonna explain the difference in a second. This is pigment dye. This is also black, but it looks very faded. Basically, this one looks gray, even though it's supposed to be black, and then this one's black, and it looks slightly faded. Because if I were to show you guys a truly like a black shirt, and here's an American Apparel black shirt, like this is your traditional black t-shirt, and this is the pigment dye one compared to the actual black shirt, the American Apparel shirt. You see that? I mean, actually the lighting doesn't help. The lighting actually makes it look way lighter on camera. You see that? You see that? That's so cool. Just that over time this will not really fade as much as this one is supposed to. This one's actually gonna like fade even more, which is gonna be fire. So for now, just watch me prepare for this event. Probably won't show too much because I don't want to bore you guys. It's literally just gonna be me like going back and forth with the heat press and the printer, which I still have to turn on. Let's just say I'm probably not going to be sleeping much tonight. Let's just get on with it. I'm talking too much.
Topher make the earth shake.
I thought you could do anything with a camera that the eye could do, or the imagination could do.
Yeah, get fair answers and then finding out, what's going on with it and why they're drawn to it.
It's currently 1:47 in the morning. I'm still printing shirts. My mom came in earlier to... what did my eye do? That was kind of weird. Mom was helping me earlier pre-treating all the garments. So right now I've just been printing. But it's exhausting because we've just been at it the whole day. I still have time tomorrow. And I really want to sleep because we got to get up early. I have to go watch my sister's race, but I'm just gonna get as much as I can done tonight and just finish up tomorrow. So close. Luckily this time I have a lot more stuff to sell, so I'm really excited. More variety, and I'm more prepared. I know what to bring this time around, so yeah, let's keep it going.
Yeah, now it's recording, yeah. Manga outlet, LLC. So I have a special friend right here with me, Michael Myers. Manga outlet, baby. Yeah. At the shop local event right now. So I had to cut because I was just so busy with everything. So we're here with everything. We got the table set right there. it's kind of hard that the camera doesn't really focus, but we've sold some things already, which is pretty cool, and we're just having a great time. It's good. We out here right now. We got Leo. Let it focus. What happened? Yeah, show the costume. Hold on. You gotta focus. Right there. Yeah. We're gonna be cutting in and out sporadically. Hold on, let me show you guys this. How's it going? Oh fuck,
How's it going, guys? So I never really updated about anything after the event on Saturday. I was just really drained, just tired from everything, and just preparing for the drop today. Today's Halloween, as I'm recording this, but I don't know, I'm just a little burnt out. All right, so I don't know how good the quality is in here. I know it's dark out, but what if I put the camera here? All right, you know what? We're just gonna keep it at that. I think the camera looks good now. So how did the event go? The event went all right. It went all right. I'm not gonna lie. Like it could have gone way better for me. But the thing is, every time I do these events, I usually don't encounter myself with my target audience, meaning the people that are into the stuff that I create. But it's okay. It's people. I still did make sales, but now I know that my brand doesn't really belong in those kinds of places. But what I want to do from here on out is just do more like anime conventions and trade shows. I think that'll really push the brand out more. Because I don't know, I keep breaking my brain. I don't even know what the right term is. Just trying to find ideas on how to build the brand. Because sure, the clothes I make, I could make as many designs as I want, and like they all could be the one, but if no one knows about, sorry, a Mustang just turned on, and I didn't know what it was at first. But if I don't go out to my target audience and actually, you know, have the product right in front of them, how are they ever gonna buy? How are people ever gonna know about the brand? So this is still a learning process for me. Like, artistic wise, like I think I'm okay. Like I don't think I have to really worry much about the artwork itself. It's more so just finding the right audience. Sorry, I'm just scratching my arm. I kind of have a rash going on right now. That's a whole other story. But yeah, so I do have this drop going out today, and I always do things with hope and love and passion and with good intentions. So if it sells out, it sells out. If it doesn't, then it doesn't. Even though deep down I'll probably be disappointed, but I'll probably just get mad and then go back to the drawing board and then just figure something else out. Like I don't want to give up. Like I'm not the kind of person to really give up like that. I get really obsessed when I want to do something, when I want to accomplish something. So this is probably the hardest challenge yet, is building a clothing brand. As an owner, as an entrepreneur in general, I don't know, you start to think about the things like, oh, what did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? And just you start building doubts. But I guess that's where you really test yourself, is like how resilient are you, right? But I do want to continue vlogging because I feel like that'll actually like show a face to the brand. I feel like I haven't really shown my face all that often, so I feel like this whole thing will help, and it's part of the journey. It helps me and just helps me to connect more with you guys, even though I don't know who's really watching this. So for those who are watching, I appreciate you guys. And if you make it to the end, comment down below. Let's see. Your favorite ice cream flavor. That'll just show if you made it to the end of the video. I do appreciate that. All right. Comment, like, subscribe. We'll be back for more. This ain't the end. It's just the beginning. And appreciate you guys. And I'll see you guys real soon.
Topher make the earth shake.
I thought you could do anything with a camera that the eye could do, or the imagination could do.